So hi, hello guys. So in this video we will be seeing the interface of push button with Arduino, where the LED light will be blinking or glowing with the help of Arduino and push button. Same like the last video. There we will be using a single LED, but now we will be using the RGB LED. So the required components are same, but here the difference is we will be using 3 push buttons and that RGB LED. So now we will connect 2 pin space must be there. Sorry, 1 pin space must be there. So now we will take this resistor, same like the last video, but here we will be using 3 push buttons and that RGB LED. Now that RGB LED, yes, sorry, LED RGB. RGB means red, green and blue colors it will grow. So now we will start connecting with the wires. Oh yes, connected. So these are the connections we should connect properly. So first we will connect with the ground pin from the Arduino board. Can connect here. Yes, I can change this color to black. Now can adjust this. Yes, so now we will start connecting this resistor to ground. This too we can change this color. Yes, now we will start connecting. So from 13th pin, let's start connecting. This wire will go to the first push button, the near push button to that LED. So yes, we have connected here, and you can adjust this here. Yes, you can change the color too. For each wire we can change the color for uniqueness. So now from 12th pin we will connect to the second push button. Here yes, we have connected. You can change this color to orange color we get. So from 11th pin we are connecting to the last push button. The connections must be proper, if not the LED won't glow. So you should check once again for the connection whether you have connected very well or not. Yes, we have connected. So now from the LED to the push button you should connect. So from here to first one, and from the third to second, and for the last one here. Yes, we have connected. You can change the color of the wires. So this one you can choose a turquoise color. And this one we can take red. For this one we can check orange. So yes, the connections are over. Now we will go to the coding part. So like the last video, same code, but you should repeat it for 3 times because we have 3 push buttons. It's quite simple. Yes, this pin. Yes, this pin. So nothing, we should connect this 3 times with each other, same code. So here we should uh, connect the correct pin number. So we have connected 13, 12 and 11th pin. So here we have to give 13, 12 and 11. So you should be very careful in giving that pin, otherwise it won't glow. So yes, the 3 are high. So we will start simulation. Yes, we have started. The code is running. Now we'll check. By pressing this button, yes, we can see that the green light is glowing. So if we press this button, the blue light glows, and if this button, the red light glows. So that's all the video is. So this is the program about. Thank you guys.